How to remove TikTok profile picture. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can remove TikTok profile picture. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So once you open up TikTok, if you navigate to the bottom right corner, there is your profile icon, tap on it. And from your profile page, tap on edit profile. Tap on change photo option. As you can see, there is no option in order to remove or delete your profile picture because TikTok does not offer a direct delete or remove option for the profile picture. However, you can replace it with a default or blank image. So for that, what you can do is simply tap on select from gallery, and now you can pick a blank or generic image from your gallery. If not, you can tap on take photo. After that, you can take a blank or black photo as your profile picture. So in this way, while TikTok does not allow a completely empty profile picture, you can use a blank or minimal image which can give an appearance of no photo. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.